What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another episode of I'm freezing my ass off and I'm going to stand here and complain about it. No, I'm just kidding. It's actually not what's going on today. As you can clearly see, I am back out at Dover's garage. Going to do some more work on the car today. It's nice being able to turn some wrenches on it and see some progress. But anyway, today's episode is just a little bit different. So let's go. So I had to come back into the shop because it's really freaking cold again. And one email, actually not one email, several emails that I've gotten have asked, you know, like, is all we do modular stuff out here at Dover's garage? And, you know, what about the push rod stuff? And so, to answer that question, there is actually something else. And no, definitely do not have anything against push rod motors. I will be building another one here after the Coyote car is done, so stay tuned for that. But there is another car out here at Dover's garage that I have not shown you. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you. And this is the Beast. I don't know exactly what Jeremy calls it. I just, for lack of a better term, I call it the Beast because that's what it is. It is under construction, but it's badass. And I gotta let you check it out. So let's do it. Alright, so probably wondering where the Beast is. Is that the Beast? No, that is not the Beast. That's a parts car on the trailer. The Beast is in here. So, buckle up. Here we go. Hopefully we'll leave this door open so you can get some light. What is this we spy? Is this another Fox body? Yes, it is. This is Jeremy's Florida Highway Patrol notchback that is long under construction, and you see the nice Shonic hood on it, and the slicks, and there's the front bumper cover there. But trust me when I tell you, this thing is being built to be an absolute monster. And Jeremy was working really hard on it and kind of making progress, and then the white car that he coyote swapped, Philip, which is on the website if you want to read about it, that kind of came along, and that's when all the coyote stuff started happening. But anyway, I'm not going to talk a whole lot more. Let's just take a look at this car. So anyway, this car, like I said, Florida Highway Patrol, got the Skinny Kid K-member in it, huge custom piece. Of course, the engine bay is in the process of being completely smoothed. He's going kind of crazy with this one. But then if you can see over here, it's got the funny car style roll cage. Yep, she's badass. You can see the kind of cream up there behind where the quarter glasses usually are. Florida Highway Patrol. Ridiculous. And then it's got the weld, Ford's weld wheels on it. Lots of miscellaneous parts, stuff like this. This car is going to be extremely badass when it's done. But like I said, Jeremy's got a ton of other projects going on, so this one's kind of on the back burner. But what I need to do now is show you what's going to power this bad boy. Come on, let's go. Alright, so let's go see what powers this thing. Oh my god, the heater's on. Turn that thing down a little bit because it is really noisy. So what is powering that bad boy, you ask? It actually sits right here. Oh yes, oh yes. Hold on, let me move these out of the way a little bit so you can check it out. There she is. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a Dart 434. I believe they are AFR 225s. I wish Jeremy was here so he could tell me. And then you'll notice the headers are on backwards. I wonder why that is. But yeah, Dart 434. That is a full tilt boogie, whatever you want to call it, race motor. Get the Victor Jr. Or excuse me, Victor Sr. So yeah, beast in the works. I believe he's got a power glide for it. I think this is actually it over here. No. Anyway, under there, somewhere or another, is the transmission. It's fully built. And then he used to, I think he may have moved it. He actually had the turbo sitting here. And I think he may have moved it. But anyway, you kind of get the idea. That car will be 1,300 horsepower when it's done. Extremely fast, badass. Like I said, Florida Highway Patrol. And so if you're wondering if that's all we have out here is just coyote stuff that we're doing, the answer is no. There's some pretty serious hardware out. What I'm hoping is once it warms up, maybe we can get the Highway Patrol car out of the trailer and just let everybody like walk around, check it out and stuff, because it's seriously badass. But I did have quite a few questions on it, and so I wanted to just kind of cover that and say, yes, there will be push rod stuff coming. There is push rod stuff here. There's more Foxes here than you've actually seen, and so I figured that would be kind of cool because I love the car. I can't wait to see it out. I saw it years ago when he was still building it, or excuse me, when he had the old combo and it was actually running. But it's been down for quite a while, getting swapped over and all that good stuff. But it is seriously wicked. So one last time, I got to show you the car again. I got the side open so you can actually get a good view of the car. But as you can see, there is the race pack. Of course, black interior car. There's the cage, Kirky seats, all that. Obviously, he won't be running the, looks like the beater's wheels, but you can see the giant Mosers back there. You can tell right here, Florida Highway Patrol. Ridiculous. Paint is super slick. It's just covered in a whole lot of dust. But it's badass. So anyway, guys, that is what's up for today. I've got a lot of stuff I'm working on the car, and so trying to juggle doing the videos and working on the car is a serious task. But trust me, I'm down. I'm up. That doesn't make any sense. I'm down. I'm up. I'm down for it. I'm up for it. Whatever it takes, I'll get it done. I promise you. So in the meantime, if you liked today's video, please shoot me a big thumbs up. And if you're a first-time visitor, please smash that subscribe button. I do 5 videos a week, and always have fresh content for you. I promise you will love it. And I gotta get to work, so I'll holler at you tomorrow. Later.